In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant to FreshBooks. Adding your accountant to FreshBooks gives them the access they need to review your books, make adjustments, and keep everything compliant while you stay in control of permissions. We'll walk through the invite process from start to finish, and I'll share a few tips to keep things smooth and secure. First, open your FreshBooks account and land on your dashboard. Make sure you're signed in as an owner or an admin with permission to manage users, since only those roles can invite an accountant. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and select Accounting. This takes you to the area dedicated to your ledger, reports, and accountant connections. It's the central place where you'll send and manage invitations. On the accounting page, find and click Invite. This opens the Accountant Invite panel. Here, FreshBooks shows you two access options for your accountant: limited access or full access. Limited access is designed for professionals who only need essential financial visibility to reconcile accounts, review reports, and help at tax time without exposing every operational detail. Full access is for a trusted accounting partner who needs complete visibility to analyze transactions end-to-end and assist with deeper cleanup or configuration. If you're not sure which to choose, start with limited access. You can always adjust later if your workflow requires more. After you choose the access level, fill in your accountant's name and their work email. Double-check the spelling, because the invite link goes directly to that address. If your accountant manages a shared inbox, use the address they prefer for client portals to avoid delays. When everything looks good, click Invite. FreshBooks will send an email with a secure link. Your accountant clicks that link to accept and connect to your account under the permissions you selected. You'll be able to see the invite status right on the accounting page, so you can confirm whether it's pending or accepted. If the email doesn't arrive within a few minutes, ask your accountant to check their spam or promotions folders and verify that the address you entered is correct. For security, grant only the access they need and review permissions periodically, especially after big changes in your business. That's it. You've successfully invited your accountant to FreshBooks, set the right level of access, and given them what they need to support your books with confidence.